Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi Q5 hood. First, locate the primary hood release lever inside the cabin of your vehicle. This lever is typically found on the driver's side, often positioned near the footwell or lower dashboard. Give the lever a firm pull to disengage the first latch mechanism. You should hear a distinct click as it releases, indicating the initial step is complete. After pulling the interior release, move to the front of your Audi Q5. You'll notice the hood is slightly ajar. Carefully reach into the gap at the front edge of the hood, usually above the grille. Feel around for the secondary safety latch. This is often a small lever or tab that needs to be pushed or pulled to fully release the hood. Take your time to locate it. Once you've located and engaged the secondary safety latch, push or pull it to fully release the hood. You can then carefully lift the hood upwards using both hands for stability. Be mindful of the weight. Locate the hood support rod, usually attached to the underside of the hood or in the engine bay. Securely place the end of the rod into the designated slot to hold the hood open safely. When you're finished, gently lower the hood until it's about 1/4 of the way closed, then let it drop to latch securely. Always ensure it's fully closed before driving. Regularly checking your engine's fluid levels and performing routine maintenance is crucial for your vehicle's longevity. For more great tips and resources, check the description for links to other deals and a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.